हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। सो अगर आपने कैट एग्जामिनेशन नहीं दी है, स्टिल आप एमबीए करना चाहते हो, सो इज़ इट पॉसिबल टू टेक द एडमिशन इन एमबीए? सो इफ़ यू कंसिडर द डेटा, देन हर साल 4 से 5 लाख कैंडिडेट्स एमबीए में रजिस्टर होते हैं। बट इफ़ वी सी द डेटा फॉर द कैट एग्जामिनेशन, देन कैट एग्जामिनेशन में हर साल 2 लाख ही कैंडिडेट्स रजिस्टर करते हैं। सो व्हाट अबाउट द रिमेनिंग 3 लाख कैंडिडेट्स? So with this video you will get to know the answer of this question. So with this video you will get to know what are those non-CAT MBA colleges, topmost MBA colleges in India without the CAT examination, what are all the documents required for those colleges, what is the admission process and what examinations you need to attempt. That everything I am going to cover up in this video. Now what are all the documents required? So first, you should be a graduate student. You should have a degree certificate or provisional degree certificate with you. Second is your 10th and 12th mark sheets are mandatory. And third is your living certificate is required. So these are all the required documents for your admission process. Now coming to the top MBA colleges in India without CAT examination. So in that first is ISB. So if we consider the ISB, then ISB में आपको MBA या PGDM की डिग्री नहीं मिलती है. You will get a post graduation program that is PGP, and the duration of the course is of 11 months. So if we consider the ISB, it is a non-IIM college, but इसकी जो डिग्री की वैल्यू है, that is इसकी जो PGP की वैल्यू है, it has the equivalent value as that of an degree of an IIM has. The fees for this college ranges from 32 to 34 lakhs, which is quite high if we compare the IIMs. But the average salary package through this college is 34 to 36 lakhs per annum. If we see the return of investment of this college, then it is totally worth of your money, because initially the investment is high, but you can earn the money in just 1 year. If you have appeared for the GMAT, then your GMAT score will be valid in ISB. Now coming to the second college is Accelerate. So Accelerate के 2 branches है. First is in Jamshedpur and second is in Delhi. So अगर आपके academics में आपका score अच्छा नहीं है, so this college is the best college which you can consider. This is a non-IIM college, but its degree has the equivalent value as that as an IIM degree has. So if we consider the CAT examination, then CAT examination में जो eligibility criteria है वो है graduation में आपको minimum 50% चाहिए in case of general category. So अगर आपको 50% नहीं है, so you can consider this institute. इस institute में admission के लिए आपको ZAT examination देनी है, जिसमें आपको academic score आपका कितना भी हो, it doesn't matter. GMAT score is also valid in Accelerate. If you want to know more about Accelerate, I have separately made the video on this. You can watch that one. The link I am sharing in the description box. Do check with that. इसकी जो फीस रहेगी, इट विल रेंज इन बिटवीन 20 to 30 lakhs, एंड इसमें एवरेज सैलरी पैकेज जो रहेगा, इट इज़ फ्रॉम 22 to 26 lakhs पर एनम. नाउ कमिंग टू द थर्ड कॉलेज इज XIMB भुवनेश्वर. सो ज़ेवियर का और एक कॉलेज है जो भुवनेश्वर में है. इसमें जो एवरेज फीस रहेगी आपकी, इट विल रेंज फ्रॉम 18 to 20 lakhs, एंड योर सैलरी पैकेज विल रेंज फ्रॉम 17 to 20 lakhs पर एनम. So ZAT and GMAT are the examination on the basis of which you can get the admission in XIMB Bhubaneswar. Now coming to the fourth college is SIBM Pune. So इसकी जो average fees रहेगी, it is nearly up to 15 lakhs rupees, and इसमें average salary package जो होता है, it will range from 22 lakhs per annum to 24 lakhs per annum. So to get the admission in this college, you need to appear for the SNAP entrance examination. Now coming to the fifth college, that is IIFT Delhi. So इसमें जो आपकी एवरेज फीस रहेगी, इट विल रेंज फ्रॉम 20 to 23 lakhs, एंड इसमें जो आपकी एवरेज सैलरी रहती है, दैट विल रेंज फ्रॉम 27 to 30 lakhs पर एनम. सो इनकी एक सेपरेट एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन होती है, दैट इज IIFT. यू नीड टू अपीयर फॉर दिस. If you want to take the admission in IIFT Delhi, then the GMAT score is also valid in this college. Now coming to the sixth college is JBIMS Mumbai, that is Jamnalal Bajaj Institute of Management Studies Mumbai. So इसमें जो आपकी एवरेज फीस रहेगी, that will range from 6 to 7 lakhs, and इसमें जो एवरेज सैलरी पैकेज रहता है आपका, that will range from 20 to 22 lakhs per annum. This college accept the score of Maharashtra CET, MAT and GMAT for their admission process. So these are some top MBA colleges in India without CAT examination. But still, I would suggest if you are eligible, then do appear for the CAT examination, because your CAT score will open the door of more than 4 to 5,000 colleges to you. अगर आपको स्कोर जो है आपका कैट एग्जामिनेशन में अगर अच्छा आता है, इफ़ इट इज़ अबाउ 99 परसेंटाइल, देन यू हैव द चांस टू गेट द टॉप IIM ऑल्सो, एंड द IIM डिग्री हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ वैल्यू. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट इफ यू आर एलिजिबल, डू appear for the CAT examination. If you have any doubts, queries, any questions related to this video, you can let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. Do like the video and subscribe the channel.